What is power factor in LED lights? Power factor, PF, is a measure of how effectively electrical power is being converted into useful work output. It's a ratio between real power, watts, and apparent power, volt amperes, VA. PF equals real power W divided by apparent power VA. It ranges between 0 and 1. Closer to 1 equals more efficient. Here is short comparison between low power factor and high power factor. Residential users are typically billed for real power kilowatt hours, so it doesn't increase direct cost, but low PF can affect circuit loading, breaker sizing, and transformer losses. Does low PF consume more energy? Technically, low PF does not mean more energy. Kilowatt hours is billed in homes, but it draws more current, leading to more strain on wiring, higher internal losses, wasted capacity in your power system. In commercial industrial systems where apparent power matters, PF 0.6 can lead to penalties or efficiency loss.